So it's raining today. Fortunately, today's repair does not require me to leave the car. What I'm going to be doing is replacing this mirror control switch right here. It unfortunately has been not working, so got a replacement unit from a 1A Auto. And what I'm going to be doing is just replacing that unit. Pretty simple process. First we got to get this panel open. To do that, we just kind of slide forward and pull up. Should be able to do it one-handed. I hope. There we go. That just comes right off. And we see that this panel, the switch rather, don't know what that noise was. The switch is just held on to this little plastic tab here. So what we gotta do is press that plastic tab down. That wire should come out, and I should be able to lift the switch out of there. I'm gonna need two hands for this though, so I'm gonna have to put the phone down while I work. But we're just gonna be using a little screwdriver and holding that tab down if I need any. If I can't do it with my fingers, pretty simple. All right, I will be back after I've got it done. So I did have to open my door just a little bit. So I got it out. This connector is a little stubborn. Basically, this is the new switch here, but basically the connector goes in right there. But you're gonna put your screwdriver underneath there. You gotta kind of push down on that connector, while at the same time kind of prying up on it. It does come out, but you do have to fight with it. And this just kind of clips into these holes here. And just kind of push on it, it'll pop free. It's easier to pop it up through the bottom there. And I'm gonna try to get this one in. Again, I'm gonna need two hands to do this, but it just drops right in place. Actually, I might be able to do it one-handed, let's see. I did do it one-handed. Okay. So now we just take this, push it in. This goes back on, reverse order. It's hard to do one-handed again. Let's slide that in. Okay, I'm gonna need two hands for that one. There, I got it. It kind of needs to slide in to catch on the edge. It's hard to do that one-handed. But there's my new switch. Now, let us see how my switch works. If it works. Let's hope it works, because if it doesn't, it's the wiring harness. Let's select the mirror. I want to do this one. Let me see. The mirror is indeed responding to the switch. So pretty simple repair. If we want to do the other mirror, we just hit that button. Same thing. Everything's going. And I flip the button in the middle, it's neutral. Doesn't do anything. But that's how you replace that switch. Pretty simple job. Would have showed you the removal, but I don't have three hands. There you go.